Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a very interesting tech news here. If you are a user of Avast antivirus, anti-malware, be warned that they are selling your data. So the Federal Trade Commission has actually fined Avast $16.5 million. And it all comes from the fact that Avast tells you that it's protecting your privacy and your browsing data and that everything will be wonderful. But it has sold all of the data, and it's petabytes of data. There's a tremendous amount of data to more than 100 third-party companies for advertising needs. And that comes from everybody using Avast and browsing the web. And it contains so much data, it can almost identify you specifically. It is totally nuts. So, of course, the Federal Trade Commission says that it has to be very clear and you have to ask for consent. And so they pretty much did not, or if they did, it's so obscure that you never noticed. And they say that what's the worst part of this is mostly because in the advertising and the wording that they use when you want to download and install Avast for security purposes, they're going to tell you that you're safe with them and that they are, responsible with all of your data, when in reality they're selling it to tons of other people. So this is really, really crazy. Avast is used by millions of people. The free version, I know, was very popular at one point. I don't know if it's still the case. But one thing for sure, this is unacceptable. If you pay for a security, and even if it's free, if you have a security app, if they do want to do something with your data, they have to ask you. They have to say, hey, do you accept that we take some of your browsing data and sell it for advertising purposes? And then it's up to you, clearly to say yes or no. But to do it in a way that was pretty much, behind the scenes, not telling you anything about it, it's kind of a bad way to do it, honestly. So anyways, up to you to decide what you do. But if you are using Avast, be aware that it seems its business practices aren't very, very good. They're pretty shady, actually. So this is in the tech news today, where they've been fined $16.5 million. And hopefully they'll have a consent, because they are asking also that Avast now put up a page that will ask you for consent if you do wish or not to have data sold. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.